Good morning everyone, my name is Jacob with Infinity Garage Door. It's a beautiful day here in Austin and today we're installing 3 new garage doors. Come join us for another day at Infinity so you know what to expect when you give us a call. So let's get to the good stuff. What services do we offer? Spring replacement, opener installation, of course, garage door installations, and any other repair you need. And why are we the best? No more weeks of waiting. Friendly and responsive team, experienced technicians, and most importantly, your satisfaction is our priority. And that, my friends, is how you know we'll take good care of you and you'll get the peace of mind you deserve.